When I'm creating a full lip blush, my technique differs somewhat to when I'm doing an aquarelle. I start off with outlining using a 1RL 0.25mm needle. Here I'm using Mast, which I love. I find it very sharp and precise. This is available at Killer Beauty. Perfect needle for getting that crisp, beautiful outline. I'm doing the body. The lip, I'll move on with a different needle. This is a pixel needle, 1RL 0.30. I keep my sections very, very tight because I want those pixels to be quite close knit together. So by doing small sections, you're going to get a more opaque result. The sheerer the result, the larger the sections you want to be working in. People are scared of using larger needle configurations, but there's really no need. This is a Magnum needle and I promise it is soft as a brush. I like to leave the pigment to soak in on the sections, and I will cross hatch using a Magnum too, just to ensure that the coverage is spot on. And here I have the finished result. The lips are still a tiny bit numb. These are fresh off the needle. They're opaque. They're going to heal fully saturated. I just love this look on clients. It's always so glamorous, always heals so well. For anybody interested in the colour, I used Even Flow, Rock Rose and Romance.